So much energy,
Yeah,
guys.
man, this is
Love
fun.
this.
Hey
We're back,
guys,
we're
we're back
back.
again with another video, and this time it is Kaj, and it is again Bada Wada Vastu,
Vastu.
which is a very famous song and
And
also a big song.
yeah, big song. Very
Seriously, I
popular song.
love this song, and also this is a live performance from Helsinki, and it is 26th of January, February, March
Let's
2025.
go.
Let's go with the video.
Let's go,
I'm very
guys.
excited because I love the song. It has so much humor in it. It has really so much humor in it. So
Yeah.
I feel really, a bit of
Flabbergasted.
mixture of happiness, a mixture of humor. Like it's really up there.
Yeah. Wow, they are wearing good clothes. You know,
Open stadium, I guess it is.
same kind of
Yeah.
dress. Ooh.
This thing, guys.
Hey, what-
Oh, well, well. Oh, see, Vastu,
They are good.
Vastu.
They are so good.
I love this song because of the funkiness in it.
Yeah.
Literally, if you like search any Kaj song, and it
Yeah.
has a lot of funkiness and a lot of humor in it, which I really like. I have
Me
not
too.
seen enough like material on this genre, like
Yeah.
funky songs which has no meaning at the end of the day, but at the same time it has a lot of meaning and also it's fun. Like how many songs you have heard is a fun song, like not party. I'm not talking
I know.
about party songs, I'm not talking about like another type of fun songs. It's just fun itself, like
I know,
the humor itself, like which I have not heard enough. There are several, I guess, but not enough, like you don't see every day, and which I really like about Kaj because their song genre is only that.
Yeah.
Like they have worked on most of the songs of them are on this genre, like this fun humorous
Yeah.
thing, the funs
And I like the fact
Yeah.
this is more like they are doing it for so long.
Yeah.
And right now they are performing in Eurovision. It's really remarkable for them.
Remarkable. Yeah, and the performances, like it's not like a boy band you
Yeah.
would want or you would notice, but they are a
It's
boy
more
band.
like
It's like
they're
a
having
boy
fun.
band. Yeah, exactly. They are having fun. It's like a boy band of 3 person who
Yeah.
are just there to have fun, and
That's
that's
it.
all. That's all. It's like a fun little backyard. Like band members.
Yeah.
Like when we were little we used to think about, yeah, these are my people and I want to create a band with them, and
Yeah.
you do actually, and then it doesn't take off, but they did. That's the
This is
factor.
so good.
Their backyard band did take off, and it is really amazing to see these easy steps, easy moves, and the song is easy flowing, and the
Yeah.
song has no relation in terms of anything, like mostly anything. It's just fun, pure
Love
fun,
it.
pure joy. I love this. That's why I love this.
So good.
Oh,
Bahara Bastu, yo.
they make their own steps in the
Yeah.
stage. Like this is really fun.
Yeah.
Like guess you have that much freedom to like do steps in your
Yeah.
own stage, like make up stage steps. I don't know, you never do that, I guess. While you are performing you have a choreographed dance performance, and then you do that and sing, but they're like, yeah, I'm a sing and I'm a dance like nobody else ever did. Yeah, they just do it. It's
Yeah.
instinctive. It's like more of like when you feel happy you want to dance. Yeah, that kind of dance this is.
Love it.
I love it. That's why I love it, because these are not staged. These are mostly real, because you can see that in their like in their performances.
Yeah.
It's so real. It's not made up. The dances are so real and so authentic, made up by themselves. This is really fun. Watching them even it is fun. I am not saying choreographed dance performances are bad, but this is different. No,
Yeah.
you don't say it every day. That's why it's
Love
better.
it.
It's good. That's why
Love
it's
this
good.
kind of.
Because I'm a person who can't dance, so seeing them, they can't dance, but they're doing it, it's fun. I can say that, yeah, look at these guys, they did it, I can do
Yeah.
it too. It's just like when you are mad, you see another mad person and you say, yeah, look at them, they are mad too. It's just that, yeah, mad
Love
person
this.
seeing mad person and saying, yeah, they are mad, I'm mad, it's fine. It's more like when you are poor, you are poor but you don't want to see another person poor, but then you found out that your friend are also poor, so you're like, yeah, we are all poor, that's fine. It's
Yeah.
kind of like that mental statement, you know. You get
Love
it
this
right.
kind of vibe, man. Oh.
Ooh, oh,
Oh.
oh, oh, oh. Bastu, bastu. Bastu, bastu. Bastu, bastu. Oh, bastu. Bada, 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 bastu. Bastu. Bada, bada, bastu. Bada, 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 bastu. Bastu. Bada, bada, bastu. Bada, 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 bastu. Bada, bada, bastu. Bada, bada, bastu. Bada, 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 bastu. Ooh!
Ooh, so much energy,
Yeah,
guys.
man, this is
Love
fun.
this.
Look at them, they're just dancing up and
Yeah.
down, and that's their dance. I love it because we are doing the same. We are doing
Me
the
too.
same because it's fun. You are
It's
syncing with them.
fun.
It's fun. It's just pure fun and joy. I love this. I love there is no internal meaning. There is
Yeah.
nothing. You just like left your brain at home and then do it. It's fine. And
It's
this is
fun.
mental peace. Honestly.
Yeah.
Always you don't have to think about internal meanings, external meanings,
Yeah.
blah blah blah. You know, these are okay, these are fine, these are amazing. Being a literature student myself, sometimes I just think that there would be someone who would be
Yeah.
writing stories just as it is without internal meaning, or there would be a
Yeah.
poet who would just write a poem about something without any internal meanings that I have to dissect. You
Yeah.
know, you know the feeling when you find something that is that just as it is, like an apple, and it's just an apple, it's not a peach.
Exactly.
That is it. Like, that's why I think these kind of songs are really fun and amazing, in my opinion, honestly. And honestly, you don't have to agree with my opinion, but obviously I need to put the opinion out there because I feel entitled to it, just as it is.
Let's play.
Sorry. Vastu, Vastu. In what is it? Oh, Vastu. Vastu, bada bada Vastu, bada 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 Vastu, bada bada Vastu, bada bada Vastu, bada 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 Vastu. Ooh.
Oh
Oh!
man.
I don't know the language.
Love it.
I don't know the exact meaning, but I have
Yeah.
read some of it, and
Yeah.
I know this is a fun song. So that's
This
why
is
I
so
kept saying
good.
it.
This feels
But
nice.
this song feels really, really nice on the ears and on the eyes. And these three people, they are refreshment.
Yeah.
They are refreshment. You wouldn't consider these two, like, except for that guy.
Yeah.
Without the mustaches and everything, he looks cute, he looks handsome, but other than that, the rest of the two guys you wouldn't consider to be pretty or consider to be that much handsome to be a band member, you know what I'm saying. But they are doing that without any like
Problem.
feeling problem.
Yeah.
And I feel they look amazing too, with those costumes, with those energies, with those confidence. Yeah, they look
They look
amazing
good.
too, but with the with the bar that
Yeah.
the society has set for being handsome or being
Yeah,
pretty is
being
like
pretty.
having a lot of muscles or having a lot of jawlines or having a lot of good looks. Like,
Yeah.
everybody is not good looking, that's not possible. Everybody can't be good looking, that's fine, but
Yeah.
being like making someone feel bad for it is the worst thing ever.
Yeah,
And
me too.
I
I agree with
think
that.
I think most of the band, that boy band or something like that, we have seen up till to date, all of the members are looking
Looking
so
good.
much pretty, so much
Yeah,
handsome, like out
exactly.
of the worldly matter. Like when you were seeing them on screen, you were like, wow, they're so pretty.
I
And
was a
when you
big
were
fan
going
of
out
One
of,
Direction, but
yeah,
they messed up their life actually.
they were also very
Very
pretty.
pretty, I know.
Yeah, but then when you come to the world and you realize like people can't be that pretty every day. Like,
Yeah,
or even all of the people cannot be pretty, then who will say they are pretty, right? So
exactly.
basically choosing people who are pretty and who are not in that order is messed up. So we need to change that, and they are changing that. So I also love that for them.
Yeah,
I love that for them. They
I
are
love it.
just doing everything out of the ordinary,
Yeah,
and they're like they are just booming on that. I love it for them, and also I love their work. It is very nice and fun to watch them, like seriously, man.
yeah, man.
Thank you so much,
I
guys.
agree with
If you're
that.
still watching, I'm doing the outro and we messed up, obviously. So this is everyday routine now. Now we
What?
will see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch our other videos on the channel, and you can like, share, and comment down below what you think about it, and if you think I'm entitled or not.
Bye.
And we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.